explain SN1 mechanism. See here, the mechanism involved, SN1 mechanism involved the conversion of tertiary butyl bromide to tertiary butyl alcohol. The mechanism involves two steps. First step, slow ionization of tertiary butyl bromide to give tertiary butyl carbocation, which is planar and sp2 hybridized. Second step is the nucleophilic attack of OH minus to carbocation. This attack can take place on both the side and either side. We can get tertiary butyl alcohol. You can get a racemic mixture of the product is formed. So the order of reactivity is tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary alkyl halides. Usually, first is slow ionization of tertiary butyl bromide to give planar tertiary butyl carbocation. Second step is attack of nucleophilic attack of OH minus to give tertiary butyl alcohol. So this mechanism carries 2 marks. This topic is SN1 reaction. Usually, primary alkyl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism usually involves only one step, but it follows second order kinetics. So, in the mechanism, the nucleophile OH minus attack the carbon atom from the rear side of the leaving group. Here, CCl bond is CCl bond. Here, Cl is the leaving group. So, OH minus attacks the carbon atom from the opposite side of the leaving group to form a transition state. See, in this transition state, COH bond is partially formed and CCl bond is partially broken. So, this is a transition state. This transition state is unstable. It undergoes dissociation to give the product methyl alcohol. So, in this reaction, the order or reactivity follows second order kinetics because it involves only one step. The velocity or rate of a chemical reaction depends on both nucleophile as well as alkyl halide. So here in this reaction, the reactivity depends on both nucleophile as well as alkyl halides. So order of the reaction is second order.
Write the difference between SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. So, in SN1 mechanism, it is a unimolecular reaction. SN1 mechanism is a unimolecular reaction. SN2 mechanism is a bimolecular reaction. SN2 mechanism is a bimolecular reaction. Next, second difference. SN1 mechanism follows first order kinetics. SN1 mechanism follows first order kinetics. SN2 mechanism follows second order kinetics. It follows second order kinetics. Third difference. The order of reactivity is tertiary haloalkanes is greater than, secondary is greater than, primary is greater than methyl halides. Methyl halide. So, in SN2 reaction, the decreasing order of reactivity of haloalkanes is methyl halide is greater than, primary is greater than, secondary is greater than tertiary alkyl halides. Fourth difference is rate depends only on concentration of alkyl halides. Rate depends only on the concentration of alkyl halides, that is Rx. Rate depends only on the concentration of alkyl halides. But SN2 mechanism, in SN2 mechanism, rate depends on concentration of alkyl halides and nucleophile. In SN2 mechanism, rate depends on concentration of alkyl halides and nucleophile. So, it follows second order kinetics. The last difference is the product obtained is racemic mixture. This difference is regarding configuration. The product obtained is racemic mixture. In SN1 mechanism, the product obtained is racemic mixture. But in SN2 mechanism, the product obtained as inversion configuration. In SN2 mechanism, the product obtained has inversion configuration. This is the difference between SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. Actually, I give 5 differences here, but in PU board, they are asking any 3 difference. See the question in model paper. In model paper, the question is like this. See, in model paper, the question is like this. Give the difference between SN1 and SN2 mechanism with respect to the order of the reaction. With respect to the order of the reaction, you have to write rate of the order of a reaction is, it follows first order kinetics. For SN1, it follows first order kinetics. For SN2, it follows second order kinetics. With respect to the configuration, so in SN1 mechanism, the configuration is racemic mixture. The product formed is racemic mixture, but in SN2 mechanism, the product obtained is inversion of configuration. Then third difference, order of reactivity. See here, the order of reactivity for alkyl halides is in SN1 mechanism, tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary, but in SN2, primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary. So, depends on the type of questions, you have to answer the difference.